Hello students. Now let's see about activity second further. In standard 6 you learn that many stories follow a common pattern or structure. In writing we talk about structure to describe the sequence of ideas. We learn that many stories use a structure that starts by describing a character and then telling how one day something happens that causes the character to have a problem. For example, here you can see in the beginning we saw Goldenlocks was a happy prince until he lost a toy that he loved. Then next, what happened for the story? The story shows how the character tries to solve the problem, but it doesn't work and it causes a bigger problem. Then you can see Goldenlocks try to get his toy, but when he freed the giant, he was banished. And last, finally, the story shows that something changes and the character can solve the problem in an unexpected way. How does it happen? Let's see in a darkened paragraph. When the king needed his son and the giant to cure his illness, Goldenlocks forgave his father and got the help of the giant and cured the king. Goldenlocks and his father were again reunited, and Goldenlocks became the prince once more. Now let's see what happened in the last chapter. If you have studied very well, the Tom Sawyer story has the structure to work with a partner to look again at strong desire, wise action. From the Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. For example, here you can see in a table, left side it is given one day something happens to our character that causes a problem. Here first one question is given, who is the main character and what is his problem? If I'll tell you, the main character in that story was Tom Sawyer, and he was given the task of painting and the fence by his aunt Polly. And it was very difficult for him to complete the fence as it was very long and high. Here the character tries to solve the problem but it doesn't work. Second, the character tries to solve the problem but it doesn't work. Right? Then next, how did Tom first try to solve problem and why didn't it work? Actually what happened? Tom persuaded Jim to do the task. He tried to convince him about of painting the fence. He promised to fetch water, to take water and offer his playthings and even showed his sure feet. But Jim ran away as he was afraid of Aunt Polly. Then next, suddenly something changes so that the character tries again and solves the problem in an unexpected way. What changed so that Tom could solve the problem in an unexpected way? And how did he solve it? Tom tried to convince Jim to do painting for him, but he ran away. So at that time, a brilliant idea came in his mind. Tom convinced his friends that painting the fence by giving some different things to them, it is a great pleasure and even made them very happy. That to paint the fence too perfectly, and there was no one boy who could do it well. So Tom created interest among his friends. He got many playthings which he has already. And as a privilege of painting the fence, thus, even without any hard work by himself, the entire fence was painted thrice. Tom was very much relaxed under a tree and mused A man or a boy will desire something, and if it is not easy to get, that's it. I hope you understood this activity very well. Thank you.